Hello and welcome in the repair of ZTE A6 or A6 Lite. Today I will show you how to replace a screen. What we need, it's a star screwdriver, really small, normal cross screwdriver, tool to replace the display, and also the new display to the phone. What we start, it's unscrew these two star screws. Now we need to pop up the whole phone from this back case. You must be careful because the touch sensor. So carefully, you can do it also with this opening tool when you don't have long nails like I. And slowly pop up like this. Yes, slowly. Do you see the touchscreen sensor on the cable down? Oh, you see that I don't pop out the SIM tray. This is a big mistake sometimes. Careful on it. So we are here. Unplug this. Now we need to get to these and these ports. This is on the standard screwdriver. Small piece of metal, and this is the battery, so unplug the battery. And this now you look on it, and you see that this is our display, so unplug it. Now you see that on this is this small piece. It will be somewhere here, so I must unscrew all these screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 screws. Yes. So you see that this small port, it's exactly look like this one. So carefully this up and this to the bottom. We unplug it. So the next step is go to the another side, and because I have big crack here, it will be easy for me. But you must first easily cracking from the back of the frame the display, which I will have now easy. Yes. So the old display is out. Now back with the new one. You must clean all the glue. So now, when the glue is out of the frame, I can look what I need to do next, which is this small hole here, is from this cable. And it can't go through. So I must put this out, this connector up, then like this, yes. And now I see the hole when the cable came, and the top hole is here on the motherboard. So I must unscrew the whole motherboard, all again with the normal screwdriver. The screws are the same, so again you can mess it up. Now I must unplug all the things, so again this one, and here is the buttons, here. Pull it up like small lever, and the cable is out. Yes, now I have it out. So this is the brain of the phone. And now I must put glue on the frame again, the new one. It will be not so good like the before, but it will be functional, and it's what depends. So carefully around this sensor in this corner, because it's a lot of people don't know that it's a sensor, and put glue across it. So now we have glue prepared. And now we can, from the bottom, start to put the display back into the frame. Everything is in place. Yes. So now we can put the motherboard back. Starting with this little connector on the left top. It's inside lock. All connectors is out. Motherboard is in place. Plug this connector, the new display. bottom part, starting with the display buttons. Again, like this. Lock on the place, this connector. The cable now, careful, goes to the special line here for this. Yes, it's on the place. Now connect the battery. So I try it and it's fully functional, so I screw all up. The screw is back. Now connect the touch sensor. Yes, we are in, and you can carefully maybe clean your lens when you touch it. And now the last two screws with the star head. So now after a few moments of charging, you can see that the Radeon is on and that it's charging. We must wait a little bit more to see it's the touch fully functional.